Did you know that each year roughly 1 out of 6 Americans, or 48 million people, get sick? 128,000 are hospitalized, and 3,000 people die from foodborne diseases. Did you know that reducing foodborne illnesses by just 1% would keep roughly 500,000 Americans from getting sick each year? Reducing foodborne illness by 10%, which would keep about 5 million people from getting sick. Did you know a large percentage of food poisoning cases could be eliminated if people would just wash their hands more often when preparing and handling food? Did you know that certain people have an increased risk of foodborne illness? These at-risk people are pregnant women, newborns, and older adults. People with weakened immune systems and chronic illness include diabetes, kidney disease, AIDS, and some cancer patients.